Okay, what is Bhumika? Bhumika means introduction to the chapter. Small introduction. What is chapter and what is going to tell. Okay, you like stories, no? You like stories. You are reading stories, and you know lots of stories are there in Sanskrit also. Lots and thousands, lakhs of stories are there in Sanskrit for children, not for others, not for grown people. For the children, for the students, lakhs of stories are there. You know Panchatantram? Panchatantram is the collection of stories full of the stories of animals. Especially the children like the stories of animals. And this like Panchatantra, lots of story books are there in Sanskrit. Katha Sarit Sagaram. You know Katha Sarit Sagaram? In that also hundreds of stories are there in Sanskrit. Katha Sarit Sagaram. But this book is written by Padma Shastri. Can you see the name of I have given in different colored. Padma Shastri. The name of writer is Padma Shastri. Actually, he written by the Padma Shastri. He collected all the stories and he published one book named Vishwakatha Shatakam. That book name is Vishwakatha Shatakam. From the name of the book itself, you can understand this is the collection of 100 stories, world famous 100 stories. Vishwa means a world, Katha story, world story means world famous story. Shatakam means 100. Okay, so the book name is Vishwakatha Shatakam. Written by, actually not written by, compiled by, collected and compiled by Padma Shastri. Okay, only 100 story. From this book we took that story. Which story? Swarna Kakaha. Name of this chapter is Swarna Kakaha. You can see one girl like you standing in front of her house. Swarna Kakaha. This story is happening in a place named Varma Desha. Varma. Okay, no need to study that name of that place, but I'm telling simply. So two things you remember: written by Padma Shastri, and the story book is named Vishwakatha Shatakam. Our chapter name is Swarna Kakaha. You know what is meaning of the chapter name? Kaka means crow. Swarna means gold. From this chapter name, you can understand the story is about a bird which is made of gold. Okay, I will read the chapter. Listen. Pura kasminchit grame Eka Nirdhana Vruddha Stri Nyavasada. Kasminchit we can split into Kasmin plus Chitta. When these two words are joined together, we will get one new letter here, that is this one. You can see it is a Nya. Where this Nya came from? Because when these two words are joined together, before plus we have a N, after plus we have a Cha. So before plus we have a N and after plus we have a Cha. If like that, this N will change into N. Where you will get N? The fifth letter of this Cha. What is the fifth letter of Cha? Cha, Cha, Ja, Cha, Nya. So the fifth letter of Cha is a Nya. This Nya will come in the place of a N. If you get a before plus a N and after plus a Ch, this N will change into Nya. Half Nya, because half N only, no? So this Nya came here when joined together. So when you split, this Nya will go back its own form, that is a N. So that N came here when you split. Kasmin. Kasmin plus Chitta, Kasmin Chit. So two words are there. So one, Pura, Kasmin plus Chitta, Grame eka nirdhana vruddha stri nyavasada. These are the splitting of the words. And kasminchid we are not telling separately, but I am telling there are two words, but we will tell together this word. Okay, when you tell meaning kasminchid. So nyavasada. Nyavasada means lived. Who lived? Stri, vruddha stri, a old lady lived. Nyavasada lived. Vruddha stri, an old lady lived. What kind of lady? Nirdhana. Nirdhana means a poor. A poor old lady lived. How many? Eka. One poor old lady lived. Where? Grame. In Gramam, in a village. Which village? Kasminchit. One of. We don't know the name of this village. In one village, there was a lady. There was a poor old lady. Okay, and when it is a pura in olden days. I have given the meaning here. Pura in olden days. Kasminchit grame, in a village. Ega one nirdhana, poor vruddhastri old lady Nyavasad had lived. Okay, there was an old lady lived in a village. Tasyaschaiga duhida vinamra manohara cha asida. There are more than one word splitting. Tasyaschaiga. This is a joined word. We can split into three words. Tasya is a one. Cha is another one. Ega is another one. So tasya plus tasyaha, not tasya, tasyaha. Why tasyaha? Because this visargam will change into sh, small sh, half sh. But join cheyyumbol, when you join together these two words, tasyascha. Okay, that's why we are getting tasyascha. And cha plus ega, that's already we studied that sandhi last year. Before plus a, after plus a. If you get like that, both join together, we will get I. A plus a is equal to I. So that's why we got a chai. When you split chai, we have to write cha plus ega. Join together, chaiga. So together three words are there. Tasyaha plus cha plus ega. So tasya, cha, eka, duhida, vinamra, manohara. Here also one more word, cha plus asida. Before plus a. And after plus also longa. A plus a is equal to longa. This longa came here. Cha sida. Cha plus asida is also we studied last year. So these are the words in this sentence. So what is verb in this sentence? In this sentence, asid is verb. Was and was there. Who was there? Duhida. Duhida means a daughter. Whose daughter? Tasyaha. Tasyaha means her. Duhida means a daughter. How many? Ega. Ega duhida asida. She had one daughter. What kind of daughter? That is in the two words of Vinamra and Manohara. Tasyaha Vinamra Manohara Duhida Asida. She had one daughter. Who is the Vinamra? Vinamra means a very, very humble. Vinamra means a very humble. I have given here. Vinamra, humble. And Manohara means a beautiful. Okay. Manohara means a Manoharam, which is attracting our manam. Manam means a mind. Haram means attracting, which is attracting our mind. Okay. Manohara, we can tell beautiful. So Manohara means a beautiful and Vinamra means a humble. Humble and beautiful daughter. She had one daughter. Okay. That is second sentence meaning. Third one, Ekada, one day. Ekada Mata Stalyam Tandulan Nitshipya Putrim Adidesha Suryatape Tandulan Gegebhyo Raksha. Two sentences are there. What is a splitting of the sentence? Ekada one word, Mata one word, Stalyam one word, Tandulan Nitshipya. Tandulan plus Nikshipya. Putrim plus Adidesha. Putrim Adidesha. How can you split Putrim Adidesha? First word end with a M. Second word start with A. Putrim. When these words are joined together, we are getting Ma. In Ma, there is no change actually. In Ma, Ma is there. In Ma, A is also there. Nothing going and nothing coming also. No change is happening there. So, Putrim Adidesha is a Samyogam. Okay, not Sandhi. But two words are there. Putrim plus Adidesha. Surya Atape is a Sandhi. Surya plus Atape. A plus A is equal to Longa. This Longa is coming here. Surya Tape, Atape. Surya plus Atape. Surya Tape. And two words are there actually. But we can tell as a single word. Tandulan, Gegebhyo means a Gegebhya. We can change the O, change into Visargam. Then Raksha. These are the Sandhipadam. These are the splitting of words. Okay. And what is it? One sentence is this one. Second sentence is this one. First sentence, which is a verb here. In first sentence, a verb is a Adidesha means instructed. Who instructed? Mada. Mother instructed. When? To whom instructed? Putrim Adidesha. Mother instructed daughter. Okay. When? Ekada, one day. Once mother instructed daughter. After doing what? Nitshipya means having placed something. What? Tandulan means a grain. Having placed the grains where? Plate. Stalyam, on a plate. On a plate, in a plate, she kept some tandulam. She kept some grains. Okay, to dry in the sun. Okay, kept some grains in the plates, and she told her daughter, instructed the daughter. What she instructed? She told her, Surya Tape Tandulan Gegebhyo Raksha. I am going to place this plate in the sun. You keep one eye. Okay, you guard this plate and grains from the bird. Raksha means protect. Okay, Raksha means protect. What? Tandulan. This grains you protect. Which Tandulan? Surya Tape, which I have kept in the sun. Veilatha in Malayalam. Okay, which I have kept in the sun, the grains you protect. From what or from whom? Gegebhyo. From the birds. You protect these grains from the birds. Okay, one day mother instructed her daughter after keeping some grains in a plate. Putri, my daughter, you please protect these grains from the birds. Don't allow the birds to eat. Okay, she admitted. What happened then? Kinjit kalanandaram eko vijitraha kakaha samuddiya tamupajagama. I will tell the splitting of the words here. Kinjit kalad. Here one word. Kinjit kalat. Here the will come like this. The next word start with anandaram. So kinjit kalad plus anandaram. Second word anandaram. Eko we can change into ekaha. Vijitraha. Kakaha Samuddiya Tam Upajagama is Samyogam. Not Sandhi. Tam plus Upajagama. Upajagama means reached near. Upajagama means reached near. Who reached near? Kakaha. One crow reached near. What kind of kakaha? Or how many kakaha? Ekaha. One crow. What kind of? Vijitraha kakaha. Vijitraha means a special kind of. Okay, special kind of kaka, a crow came near. Okay. How it came? Samuddiya. Samuddiya means a flying or having flown. Having flown or flying, the crow, the Vichitraha Kakaha, that crow came near. When Kinjit Kalad Anandaram, together we can tell after some time, after a while. So Kinjit Kalada means we can tell sometime or for a while. Anandara means we can tell after. So together we can tell meaning Kinjit Kalad Anandaram is after some time. One. So that a rare crow Samuddiya flying. Okay. One crow came there. Tam Ubajagama. Tam means her. Okay, reached near her. Tam means here I have given here her, reached near her. Okay, so together meaning one crow reached near one after some time. Okay, she was protecting that grain, but one crow came there.